Children, I welcome you all to this class today. We are into the second session of exponents and powers. For a rational number a, if m and n are positive integers, a power m whole power n is a power mn. That means what exactly it means is, let me give you an example here. For suppose I have a number 2 power 5, and this is written as whole square. So this can be written as 2 to the power 10. So that is what is the formula here, children. Now, to explain this, what I can do is, see, 2 power 5 square means what? For suppose, I'll put it in a simple way. 2 square is what, children? 2 square is 2 into 2. Yes, 2 into 2 is 2 power 1 into 2 power 1. And then when we, because the bases are same, when we add the powers, we get 2 to the power 1 plus 1. So that becomes 2 square. Okay, children. So the same way, if I write 2 power 5 whole square, so this becomes what? 2 power 5 whole square will become 2 power 5 into 2 power 5. Is that okay, children? Now, since the bases are same, I can add the powers. So this becomes 2 power 5 plus 5. So that is equal to 2 to the power 10. So this is how I can explain this law. A power m whole power n is a power mn. So here the power is becoming 2 power 5 whole square is becoming 2 power 5 into 2 power 2. Or I'll write it this way. This is nothing but 2 power 5 into 2. Now what will be the answer? If I ask you what will be the answer, 2 power 3 whole power 5. Children, what will be the answer in this case?
2 power 15.
Yeah, 2 power 15. That's it, right? 2 power 3 into 5. So that is 2 power 15. What is the answer in this case, children? Type in the chat box, please. Please type the answer in the chat box for this.
Sir, what does single exponent mean?
See, here we have two exponents, right? One exponent is 3, the other exponent is 6. So we have to write it in a single exponent. That's what it means. Okay, great. So children, you say this as 2 by 3 whole power 18. You say this as 2 by 3 whole power 18. So this is 2 by 3 whole power 18. So that's how you write it in a single exponent. Children, for this, the answer is already given. Now try to write for this. Try to write for the second one. For the first one, the answer is already given. Try to write the answer for the second one. Okay. So, children, what is happening in this case? Arna, I don't think it is 120. So, children, what happens to the first bracket that I have? So this becomes minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3, whole to the power 6. Is everybody with me here, children? Is everybody with me here? Into.
No, sir, I'm not.
Why? It is
Well,
2,
sir,
3 is 6, right?
in a before problem, it gets multiplied, and now why is it getting added?
No, it is not getting added. Observe this. 2 into 3 is 6, right? That's what I've written here. In the second case, what is happening? Minus 1 by 3 to the power 20. So the bases are same. If I have to add the powers only, this becomes minus 1 by 3 to the power 26. Unmana, check your answer, please.